All right, guys, this is not normally what I do, but I kind of ran across a situation with a Samsung soundbar and a subwoofer not connecting. So I'm just going to show you how to connect it. And right now it's not connected, so I'm going to go over it. So the soundbar is a HW HM45C, and they're all connect the same way. So if your model might be a little bit off, and this one is a PSWH450 on the subwoofer. So, and if you don't know how to do it, it can seem a little complicated, but once I show you, it's simple. All right, so right now, light's not on. It's a little blue light right here, the Wi-Fi light. Light's not on. Use a paper clip. I just got a piece of wire here, a piece of speaker wire, and I'm gonna push in, and this thing should start blinking. I'm gonna push it in and just hold it for a few seconds. There it goes. All right, now it's starting to blink. Oh, an important thing is have your soundbar off when you're doing this, right? Soundbar is off. So with it off, I'm gonna have my remote, and I'm gonna take the mute button, right? I'm gonna hold it down for 5 seconds. Set. All right, so now it should be set. Let's turn it on, see what happens.
Nothing quite like country music, and only we give you this.
Volume up.
We are live music, and you are not finding this anywhere else. Artists, performances, we are
there we go.
Country music.
Awesome.
Turn it up.
So
loud.
just that simple.
We are.
Just to back it up a little bit,
Buckle up.
make sure this is off. Push this one in, hold it for a few seconds until that light starts blinking. Then come here, mute button for 5 seconds until it says ID set. After that, the light will go solid and you're done. There you go. All right, guys, hope this helps you out. Give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. I got all kinds of stuff I put on this channel. Thank you.